Moms on the Go. So today what I'm making, or tonight what I'm making, is shrimp and grits. So I already have everything set out here, and what I'm going to show you, it's going to be pretty easy. It's a pretty quick meal, so I hope you enjoy. So first of all, we have shrimp, and these are the fresh white shrimp that you buy at the grocery store. And my husband already took the shell off of it and washed it and everything, so I need to season it. And he also cut up the the sausage and the bell pepper. Okay, so what I'm going to do is season. Well, first of all, this is my olive oil. I'm going to spray a little bit in the pan. That's going to be for the shrimp, and I'm going to let that kind of heat up a little bit, and then I'm going to season the shrimp with this. It's called Benoit's Best from Louisiana. And then I have garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, and basil. So put a little bit of that. You can season it to taste on whatever your family likes. And that way, you know, I don't measure out my seasoning. Sorry, but just season to taste. Okay, and I'm going to take a spoon here and kind of mix it up a little bit. Then put a little bit more seasoning. Do mix it around. Okay, so then first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shrimp and I'm going to put it in a pan. And this is fresh shrimp from the seafood department. Okay. Make sure I spread that out a little bit. And I'm just going to let this cook a little bit till it gets pink on both sides. I normally use frozen shrimp, but today I'm going to try it with the fresh shrimp from the seafood department. Okay, and so over here, you see I have the boiling water, and that's going to be for the grits, right? And make sure that we always use a separate spoon so we don't contaminate the other food. So we're going to use that spoon for the shrimp. And then we just have some quick grits. I got this at Food Town. And it's just Jim Dandy brand enriched quick grits, cooks in 5 minutes. So what I also use is the kettle. I just got back home, I want to hurry up, so I use a kettle to start the boiling water, and then I had water in there also, and I just mixed it, right? So this is kind of quick as well. So then when that's boiling, we add a little bit of salt, and this is sea salt, so I like to use the sea salt, and not on everything, just some things, okay? And then I go ahead and I pour in the grits. You gotta be real careful because grits will boil over, and that's not good. So I use a clean spoon. Okay, and you stir the grits. Make sure you have it like on medium, and then you're gonna need to put it on low. Okay. I'm going to put this spoon to the side. And you're supposed to stir continuously, so I'm still reading the instructions on the back of here. And then simmer. Then cover and simmer. So I don't want this to pop on me. So I'm stirring slowly and continuously. Now I'm going to take my other hand here and work with the shrimp. Okay. And I have an electric stove, so the shrimp is on medium. And you see it's already starting to turn a little bit pink, right? So that's when you know it's going to be done. Okay, so let that cook a little bit. And I'm going to let the grits cook. And then I don't want to keep you waiting, so I'm going to come back and then I'll show you the rest of it. Okay? I'm using tricolor bell peppers, so I'm going to use a little bit of each, and that's just to give it color, right? Give your food a little bit of color. I'm not going to put a lot. Just going to put a little bit in here. That's my little bit. Okay, and we're going to cook this. Oops, the sausage got in there. It's okay. So we're going to let this cook for a little bit. Let that cook for a little bit. Okay, so now you can see that the grits have thickened up a lot more, right? So I'm going to leave them on just a little bit more. It's only 5 minutes, so actually they're done. I'm going to turn them down on very low, and I'm going to look over here, the vegetables. And it's okay if you see there's a little bit burnt, you know, not scorching, your pot's kind of scorching a little bit. That's okay. So while that's preparing, I'm going to take the sausage. I'm doing them with the other end of the spoon because I don't want to touch the rest of the bell peppers. Then I'm going to let this cook just a little bit longer. Let the sausage cook a little bit. And the type of sausage that I use, is Holmes garlic original smoked sausage, whatever you want to use, but it's Holmes sausage garlic. And by the way, I did get this recipe from some website online. I'll go and find it because I like to do reviews of the recipes that I find online, and I've made this one several times, so I'm going to make sure that this is part of the review, and I tag the person or website that I found, because this is one of the recipes that I've been going back to over and over because it's a really good one. So just let the sausage cook good. There's going to be stuff at the bottom, and that's okay. So also what I'm going to do is I have garlic. I'm quick at everything. So the garlic that I'm using is Spice World minced garlic. So I'm just going to take, what is this? A teaspoon of garlic. And I'm just going to mix it in with this. Okay. And that's just going to give it a little bit of extra flavor. You stir that up. And this is on medium again. Let's check the grits. Make sure we're not burning them, because we don't want burnt grits. Nope. Let us see them. They look good. Okay. I'm just going to leave those on low so they'll be warm for the family. So again, make sure that you subscribe to Moms on the Go YouTube channel, and what we're going to present and most of the channel, most of the time, is recipes, some things that have to do with moms and families and kids. And I believe in quick meals, quick recipes, but good. My family absolutely loves the shrimp and grits, and it's a southern style shrimp and grits. So this is just about done. So we need all the juices. Normally if I prepare the sausage, normally I would drain the sausage, but we want all the juices for this. We know shrimp and grits is not a healthy menu item, but it's good and it's quick. So now that that's done, I'm going to take the shrimp and everything in the water that's reserved in here, and I'm going to put that back in with the mixture, and I'm going to take the water because I don't believe in waste. And that's 1/3 cup of water. So I'll leave that there and I'll wash it later. And I'm just going to mix this all together and let it simmer in the juices. What I'm going to do is put it back in the pan and do away, in the pot, and do away with this pan. But first I'm going to get all the little yummy scrubs, pieces of meat off the bottom. Of this pan. My trusty old pan. I love old pans. They cook really good. I could use some new ones, but these cook really good even though they're old. Okay, so you see all the little scrubbies there? Okay. I just put a little more water in here. Just get all the little scrubbies out there. Okay, so you see it here? So there's the shrimp and grits, and it's pretty much done. It didn't take very long, but there it is. We just let it simmer just a little bit longer. It's done. Just let the family get ready to have dinner. And then I'll clean up my mess, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and we thank you for watching.